What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing a short tutorial video on really just how to loop a video forever. So here I am on No Copyright Sounds, and so we're going to go to, let's say, the latest video right here. So I'm going to skip to about the very end. So this is PC only, but what you want to do is you take the video and you want to right click on it, and here you'll see a bunch of things that look very complicated to really new YouTube users. But here there's loop, copy video URL, copy video URL at current time, copy embed code, copy debug info, troubleshoot playback issue, and stats for nerds. But we don't really care about these. The only one we care about is loop. So you want to loop this. So I'm going to put this to no volume. And as you can see, it is currently playing. And in 1 second, it loops right back to the start. And let's get back over here. And it is looped. And now, this will loop forever. No matter what you do, you go outside, come back. As long as it's still full, your PC or whatever you're using is still fully charged, this will still be looping. So yeah, that's really it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah, this is just a quick tutorial video. See ya.